What's up, guys? It's Mason from Hurricane Softwash Equipment out of New Orleans, Louisiana. Today I'm excited to show you our Cat 2 pressure washing and soft washing skid. This skid is on our 41.5 by 48 aluminum base. We also have a aluminum hose reel shelf. Two 12-inch full frame aluminum hose reels with stainless manifolds. We have 200 feet of fierce jet hose and 200 feet of half-inch soft wash hose. The pressure washer is a Honda GX390 gear drive. 5.5 gallon per minute at 3,000 psi pump, block mounted unloader. This has our upgraded 7 gallon per minute soft wash system. It's a heavy duty switch, 7 gallon soap tank, deep cycle marine battery. On the side, we have a 3/4 inch metering system, as well as a flush valve for the bleach line. Around back, we have two 55 gallon tanks, one for bleach and one for water. The water tank has a Hudson Float valve plumbed in. The skid starts at $11,995. We offer 100% financing. If you're interested, you can check us out at hurricanesoftwash.com. You can also message me on Facebook, as well as call me or text me at 504-222-2849. Thank you.